You gonna be having something new from Dairy Queen. It's one of those Christmas treats. It's called Candy Cane Chill. Kind of odd to see what it looks like. It has some chocolate and some candy cane. I'm gonna see what it tastes like. It's got some peppermint into that candy cane. It's actually really good. If you like the video, this give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching this video on YouTube. If you like the video on YouTube, give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel. And you can visit my blogs at any time. And my social media is included. And thanks for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.